I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm approaching a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath Lancaster layout townhome. I stepped into the foyer where the stair leads up to the living level and then back down again to flexible space and the garage. There's a deep storage area under the stair. I'm at the top of the stairs on the main living level in an explosively bright, very spacious area. Oh, wow. Great kitchen, dining room. Sliding glass door leads out to a wide balcony. What a fabulous room. Open out to the living area. Kitchen has that open look that everybody seems to prefer. There are gray quartz counters, breakfast bar island, pendant lighting, track lighting, recessed lighting. Kitchen has a French door refrigerator, ton of cabinetry and counter space. Pass through out to the living area. There's a wide, deep farm-style sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, 5-burner gas range, French door refrigerator, and a pantry cabinet for additional storage, along with 42-inch upper cabinets for storage. Living area looks out toward the Deer Park Town Center and the Century Theaters. Has wide plank flooring throughout this level. And a great home office desk. Quartz counter, drawers, and cabinetry up above. It's a wide townhome. It's unusual and just wonderfully bright. Getting back toward the kitchen and dining area, tucked away to the side is a powder room. Gray quartz counter, white undermount sink, plank flooring, and a window for natural light. Let's head upstairs to the bedrooms. I'm on the top floor, looking down toward the landing as you head up the stairs, with a storage area. Sweeping around for a look at a very spacious master bedroom. Wide windows look out toward the Deer Park Town Center and the Century Theaters just across the way. There's a closet, second walk-in closet, multiple levels of hanging and shelving, and then the master bath has attractive gray and white finishes. It's a double bowl vanity with a quartz counter, undermount sink, back of drawers for additional storage in the vanity, very wide mirror that spans the width of the wall. You have a wide walk-in shower and a separate compartment for the toilet, great for privacy, and it has a window for natural light. Very appealing master suite with great separation from the second and third bedrooms. Looking at the second bath, finishes similar to what you saw in the master, but there's a deep soaking tub And the vanity has 2 banks of drawers for storage. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Great light in all of the rooms. And in the hall, there's a full-size stacked front-loading washer-dryer behind the louvered doors. Plank flooring continues on the first level. We have a closet behind the louvered doors with your individual utilities. Second coat closet, and yet another closet. It's a great flex space that could be a guest sleeping area, could be a den, family room. Lots of ways to take advantage of this space. Opens directly to oversized 2-car garage with a garage door opener. This unusually wide, unusually bright townhome lives very much like a single-family home. Great volume of space, great proximity to the Deer Park Town Center, in a community that has an attractive suite of amenities. You really want to put Deer Park Crossing on your must-visit list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.